Imagine running a business without a team, no designers, no marketers, and no assistants. Just AI tools doing the work for you. In this video, I will show you 5 powerful AI tools that can replace an entire team. ChatGPT can write emails, create marketing content, and even generate business ideas. Canva allows anyone to design thumbnails, social media graphics, and presentations in minutes. Zapier connects different apps and automates repetitive work. Notion helps you organize tasks, ideas, and projects in one workspace. CapCut helps creators edit professional videos with captions, transitions, and effects. These are the tools I am using to build my AI business in the 90-day challenge.